From January 30th, 2026, Casa Cavazzini, the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art in Udine, hosts the exhibition Impressionism and Modernity. The show brings masterworks from the Kunst Museum Winterthur to Italy.
Oltre 80 opere, artisti di primo ordine, quindi è una mostra qualitativamente molto molto importante. Ma noi come Regione Friuli Venezia Giulia ci stiamo spingendo proprio nell'ospitare nella nostra regione, nelle nostre città, mostre, eventi con a caratura internazionale. Insomma, si vince se si offre qualità, se si offrono grandi eventi, quindi grandi eventi non solo di nome ma grandi eventi di fatto in grado di attrarre tantissimi curiosi, amanti dell'arte, ma non solo, anche amanti della nostra regione.
The idea was that we really want to give a little tour through art history. We didn't want to have like a complicated intellectual concept or something, but to really that people can see, and only if you got eyes in your head, you can really see that, how the development of the arts around 1900 took off, because this was such a crucial time for our time as well, because in the 20th century everything falls apart, as you know, and this all started with Impressionismo and then later with the Cubism, and that's what we wanted to show here in this collection.